In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule Reels on Planoly, an essential skill for anyone who's managing their social media presence more effectively and efficiently. Let's start by navigating to the Planoly website. Planoly is a social media planner and management tool that's incredibly user-friendly, offering a way to visually plan, manage and schedule your Instagram posts, stories, and now Reels. Once you arrive on their homepage, you will notice the login option. Hover your mouse over login to reveal the drop-down menu and click on Social Planner. This will direct you to the login page. If you're new to Planoly, you might have to sign up for an account, but if you already have your credentials, simply fill up the information fields with your username and password. And then click Login to access your dashboard. Upon logging in, you're welcomed with the intuitive dashboard of Planoly's social content planner. To start scheduling a new post, you'll spot the New Post button. Clicking on this button will open up a new window where you can create your content. The next step is to select channels. Here, for example, if you're aiming to post your reel to Facebook, click on the Facebook icon. This selection tells Planoly where your content will be published. After selecting your channel, it's time to decide when you want your reel to go live. So select a date and time that aligns with your content strategy, or when you believe your audience is most active and engaged. Now you'll be asked to choose the type of post you're scheduling. Click on Page Post, and then from the options presented, click on Reel. This step is crucial as it tells Planoly that the content being scheduled is a video reel which has specific formatting and display features on the chosen platform. Once you've selected Reel, you will need to type in a compelling description for your video. Your description should be engaging, relevant to the content of the reel, and, if appropriate, include a call to action or hashtags. This will help your reel perform better and reach a broader audience. Afterwards, it's time to upload the reel itself. Look for the drag and drop box, or the button that allows you to select a file from your computer. Navigate through your files and choose the reel you've prepared earlier. Once selected, you'll see a preview of your uploaded reel, ensuring you've got the right content ready to go. The final step is to hit Schedule. By clicking on this, you finalize and set your reel to be automatically posted at the date and time you've previously selected. And that's it. You've successfully scheduled a reel on Planoly without the need to manually post it yourself at the moment. A few additional tips to ensure your success with scheduling reels on Planoly include: 1. Always preview your reel after uploading to ensure it looks exactly as you intended. 2. Pay attention to the optimal posting times for your audience, which can vary depending on factors such as demographics and the time zone most of your audience is in. 3. Use the description box wisely to enhance engagement by asking questions, using effective calls to action, or incorporating hashtags for wider discoverability. Scheduling your content on Planoly not only helps in keeping your social media feeds consistent, but also frees up your time to engage with your audience or plan further ahead. With Planoly, visualizing how your feed will look over time becomes straightforward, allowing for a more cohesive and attractive digital presence. Remember, consistency is key in social media, and tools like Planoly make it more manageable, especially when juggling multiple channels or a hectic schedule. Experiment with different types of content, posting times, and captions to find what best resonates with your audience and drives engagement. So go ahead, start scheduling your reels on Planoly and take your social media strategy to the next level.